In this tutorial, you learn how to set up and use the SICAT connected with DS Core workflow, so you can move through implant planning with faster access to your patient data and keep every file you need in one central digital location. Let's get started. This bidirectional integration is designed to keep every piece of media related to your implant planning steps stored in one central location, the DS Core Media Library. Your CBCT scans from DS imaging devices upload automatically to DS Core, and your intraoral scans are captured there and designed in SICAT, without any need for manual exporting or downloading. When you are ready to begin planning, you can select the case files in your media library and open in SICAT Suite. This gives you one consistent and consolidated location for all your implant planning case files. Now that you understand the value of this workflow, let's begin setting it up. To activate the SICAT integration with DS Core, your practice must use the SICAT Smart license. If you are currently working with older SICAT perpetual licenses, these need to be converted into the SICAT Smart license format before SICAT Suite can connect to DS Core. This conversion ensures that your SICAT portal account recognizes DS Core and can establish a connection. Once your SICAT licenses are ready, you can connect your accounts. Log in to the SICAT portal and open the External Connection section. From here, you can link your SICAT account to your DS Core account. When this connection is established, DS Core becomes capable of transferring patient CBCT, intraoral scan and prosthetic planning data directly into SICAT Suite, allowing you to launch planning cases with a single click from within your media library. Next, let's prepare your workstation. To enable the SICAT connected with DS Core workflow, install both SICAT Connect and the standalone SICAT Suite. SICAT Connect handles the communication between DS Core and SICAT Suite, while SICAT Suite is where you perform implant planning. Any DS-CBCT files sent from DS Core will be stored in the SICAT Suite database, which is separate from DS Core and Sodexis. Downloaded intra-oral scan data is placed into a dedicated folder on your workstation and remains available for later access. When your software is installed, you can begin working with real patient cases. Open your patient's media library in DS Core and choose a supported dataset combination. Supported options include DS-CBCT alone or CBCT combined with SIXD designs, STL file, maximum of 2 STL file for both JAWS, or DI datasets. After selecting your files, choose Open In, and then SICAT Suite. SICAT Suite will launch and automatically download the required data so you can begin implant planning. Only DS-CBCT data is supported, and while STL files can be opened, SEREC guide planning can only be performed based on .SIXD designs input. This is the proprietary file type created in SEREC or in-lab CAD software. Once your implant planning is complete, you may want to return data to DS Core. Inside SICAT Implant, navigate to the Treat step and click Export for SEREC Guide, then choose Export to File. This produces the .cmg.sd file needed for surgical guide design step in SEREC or in-lab CAD. The implant planning report is not uploaded automatically. It must be exported manually as a PDF, and then uploaded into DS Core if you want it stored alongside the rest of your patient's media. This completes the regular setup. Now, let's review what you must do during the controlled rollout phase. During the controlled rollout period, there are additional steps required to activate the workflow. A special SICAT voucher is needed. This voucher enables the External Connections tab inside the SICAT portal, which is necessary for linking DS Core with SICAT Suite. You can obtain this voucher from DS Customer Support. After redeeming the voucher, the SICAT portal automatically converts your older perpetual licenses into the new SICAT Smart license system using a guided workflow. With these temporary rollout steps completed, your practice will be ready for the connected workflow. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.